all of you about braces. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Because to me, I think that's something that makes me happy. I can say that. Yeah, it makes me happy. Why? Because at the end of the day, I know that I am gonna have prettier smile. I mean, who doesn't want a prettier smile? So I think that is something that is, that brings happiness. I still remember the day I made the decision actually to get them. I was so excited. I was so happy. I was like in the air. I was like talking to my dentist. I was asking her, so when can I come? So when is this? So when is that? Proceeding on with what foods you can easily eat. I would start with the very first one, which is soup. Yes. You can buy soups, the packets you get from the market, potato leek, tomatoes, hot and sour. That's what big Pakistanis would say. Or you can actually make it at home. I think those are the best soups you can ever have. So number 2 is going to be definitely yogurt. Yes, some people might not understand what yogurt is. I'm just gonna put it there. Curd, okay, if you understand that better. But yes. And the third one is pasta and noodles. I think that is one excuse for you to actually order or make it at home, whatever. But noodles and pasta, I think it's very soft for your teeth, and it's easier when you have them when you're in pain, I would say. Yeah, so that's another thing you can eat. And the fourth one is everyone's favorite, and that's rice. Yes, I know it does get stuck in your braces, but I think rice is one thing that is also advisable to eat. So yeah, rice. And the fifth one is mashed potatoes. Yes, mashed potatoes are actually one of my favorite things also. I love mashed potatoes. Yes, I can have them any time of the day. So yes, that's number 5, and it will really help you because it's very soft. So yeah, that helps. Number 6 is my favorite, and that's smoothies. Yes, you can have smoothies. I just love smoothies. I can have smoothies any day, seriously. And the last one is eggs. I know some of you do not like eggs, some of you are allergic to eggs, but those who are not can definitely have eggs. I think that is also another thing that is very soft for our teeth, and it is also good for our body itself. So these were the 7 things I wanted to share with you that I personally was eating. If you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. And of course, press the bell icon that is right next to the subscribe button. So till next time, ciao!